Hi, I'm Dr. Surekha Tiwari. I'm a homeopathic doctor and a psychological consultant. I'm in this field for the last 25 years. I operate from two clinics, one in HSR layout and the other is in AECS layout. Simple bad lifestyle. You don't have HIV, you don't have sugar, you don't have TB, and still you have a dry cough. Either you're a bad smoker, B, you're an extremely bad water intake person, C, your acidity levels are so high that you are actually getting any kind of an acid reflux in your throat all the time, which could cause a chronic dry cough. And it could also be that you're living in an extremely polluted environment and not really taking care of your respiratory health. Done by very simple measures at A, steaming, B, a lot of breathing exercises, and making sure that your acidity is well dealt with.